Hi everyone. Uh, Now what we are going to do is we are going to see how we can make foreign keys. So before we do that, we have to have a basic idea that why we need foreign keys. Uh, I will draw here and show you. Actually, you can skip this part if you are not new to database design. This is for the newcomers, right? Newcomers for the database field. So, as you have seen, I have created a department table, right? So that has some columns named depth ID, that means department ID, and department name. So now in this tutorial I'm gonna make another table named users, right? Users table. So when we create this table, we need to add few columns to this table. So if I write them below, we need to have a user ID. So that is the unique ID that we are going to identify a user, right? Other than user ID, we need to have his name, uh, address. So since I'm creating this database for an organization, all the users are working for some kind of department, right? For this example, I assume that one user is working for only one department, right? Not many departments. So I will put here the department ID that he is working, right? Other than that, we can save his password also. Okay, for my example, this data is more than enough. So you know that uh, this is the primary key, right? So in here you can see I have mentioned the department ID. So where does that department ID come from? If you want, you can just put any department ID you want, but that is not the best way to do that. If you are designing a database properly, you need to first of all define what are the departments available in the organization, and then you need to create a separate table for those departments like this way: department ID and the department name. So this department ID will be the primary key of this department table. So what do you mean by foreign key? Foreign key means we are going to make a connection between this department ID with this department ID. So actually what is happening in here is this department ID is always referring to a value represents in this department table right here. So as an example, if I say the department ID is 007, there should be a department ID called 007 in this department table, otherwise it cannot be referred in here. So this kind of relationship is called foreign key, right? So this department ID is a foreign key because its original key is here. This is its in the department table, so it is referring this table. So now I'm gonna create this exact scenario in our database and show you how you can define foreign keys in MS SQL Server. So first of all, go ahead and open the MS SQL Server. Then I have this database list that I want for my project. Okay, now this is the user table, right? So I'm gonna create this user table in here. So it has a staff number, staff ID, let's say Vacha. Okay, here staff ID. I will do a separate video tutorial on about these data types. For now, just think of it as a data type. Okay, so after that, name. I will say name, full name. I will increase this to full name, designation, department. So here the department we are going to put department ID, right? I'm gonna say 50 and role ID. Okay, allow nulls, but we cannot allow a null for this primary key. We are going to make this as the primary key in here. Full name, designation, department ID also we can allow a null if we want. Yeah, we'll keep it like that way, and we're gonna close this table. Now this table name is users. Okay, and we have to refresh. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the foreign key using this GUI. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I will go here and click the data table that we want to create the foreign key, and expand that section and goes to this keys section, and right click on it and click new foreign key. So once you go there, you can see there's an option called tables and columns specifications. So you go here and click these three dots. So in here, what we're going to do is we need to since we are going to create the foreign key for department ID in users table, we need to find its primary key table. So its primary key table is departments table. So you have to first select department table, and then from this drop down select department ID. That is the primary key column that we are referring, and the foreign key table is already selected. You don't have to do you nothing have to do. Then you need to select the foreign key and click OK, and click close, and you can close this and click save. Yes, the following table will be saved to your data. Do you want to continue? Click yes. Right, now if you refresh here, you can see foreign key is created. If you want to delete that foreign key, you can right click here and click delete. Okay, that's how you create a foreign key in MS SQL Server. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.